password field. 4 values required. Secure. Text field. Is editing.
Shut up! Stop looking at me!
Empty password field. 4 values required. Secure. Text field. Is editing.
Stop!
Screen locked.
Told you you should have put assistive touch. Oh, told you should have put assistive touch on.
Asshole!
Secure. Text insertion point at start.
You would have been able to get out of this, but no, you don't have no home button.
Fuck off! Don't talk to me.
Cancel button. Previous assistive touch menu. Assistive touch menu. Save. Fave 12. Monday, September 2nd. Slide to unlock. Empty password field. 4 values.
I don't want to get on my phone.
Insertion point at
I don't want to get on my phone. I just want to get on my phone.
You're gonna have to live with this for the rest of your life, yo,
Insertion point
right?
at start.
Can someone say
Zero.
YouTube?
0.